from Dallas, got a 214 number. But I'm smoking on some 310 number. Rich shit, a bunch of niggas and some foreign willers. Obviously, we not your average or your normal niggas.
Oh shit!
Look at that Subie Moto sleeve though. What is that? Is that fucking, is that cashmere? Good lord, that's good quality shit. I'm just gonna jump this shit straight.
Wow.
Oh shit, dude! I thought it was gonna be bigger. Damn it. Let's try again. Oh man, you got like 3 feet of air that time.
I spun out on it. Man, that was fucking lame.
It looks big as shit when you're coming up to it, doesn't it though?
Yeah.
Alright, let me try.
It doesn't jump at all. Look at this guy.
Look at this bitch. Oh, that combo.
I got my speed under control finally.
Damn, son. You just think you're so cool.
Yep.
Oh, that flexibility! Hey, we got a Harley chasing after us.
See those multiple combos, bro?
I do.
Smells like fucking barf over here. I don't know if I can fucking jump down and keep the wheelie going.
That would be sick.
It's really fucking hard. I've tried it a lot of times and I ended up chasing that out too hard. Dude, do you not smell that? Fuck.
It smells like booty hole.
It smells like straight fucking throw up.
Oh, God.
Dude, it's so fucking bad. It smells like throw up for real.
I don't think he's very impressed.
Nope.
I was going too fast. I think he's got a bigger dick than you.
No, he doesn't. Come back here, old man. Why don't you whip your dick out?
Ooh, that look back. Oh!
Oh! That turkey neck look back?
You got that, that swag going where you go, whoa, whoa.
Yeah. God damn it.
Oh.
What is this shit?
An off-road capability, that's what it is.
What's over there? What apartments are those? Is that a golf course?
Oh, God.
It looks like a golf course over there. That sucks. Oh, you're going for it?
Oh, I'm going for it. Ow! Fuck you, tree. Grab my brake. I don't think I can make it over the train track.
I fucking hate these rocks. They're so loose.
And there's fucking big-ass pieces of wood everywhere. I'm like down on the side.
This is a terrible idea, Ryan.
Fuck you, it's fine. Uh-oh.
Yeah, okay, until you get up here.
Better idea, actually.
It is.
Okay, let me try to get up there.
Yeah, that's way better. It still sucks, but definitely better.
Oh God, my wheels aren't big enough to go up to reach one. God, fuck.
And there's definitely a fence over there.
God, fuck it, this is the worst.
Yep. Oh, there's an exit right there. You can get through the fucking mud.
Way.
Fuck me! What is? Oh wait. Ah, fits in.
Oh shit.
This fucking fits in. Oh wait, we can totally go. Oh, we can't cross the track. Dude, move over to your right side on that rock down there.
It's such a big drop.
Fucking do it.
Ah! Oh God.
That's
dude, my arms are tingling. They're like asleep.
What road is this? I think we can exit down here.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna find out. If I can even fucking fit through here.
My hands are dead!
Yeah, I'm on this concrete side. You can come down over here.
Oh. Whoa.
We're getting the fuck out of here.
Cool. Warp speed.
Driving on this thing's weird because it's like all, you can feel the sides of it.
Yeah, they curve up.
Yeah, it's like Alright, let's start.
Alright, yeah, let's get somewhere and make sure we don't have a fucking flat.
No shit, dude. That was the worst.
Is that a cop?
Not a cop.
Directly in front
Oh,
of you.
right in front of me? Nah.
Make money, take money, earn crack money, drug money, bill money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.